10 drinks that protect and improve your vision. Did you know that nearly 80% of vision impairment cases can be prevented, or even cured? Your eyes are much more than the windows to your soul, they're also a reflection of your overall health. They can detect early signs of conditions, like diabetes, or high blood pressure. But here's the good news. Just as your eyes can reveal health problems, they can also thrive with the right nutrients. And what's better than incorporating those nutrients into refreshing, easy-to-make drinks? In this video, I'm sharing 10 scientifically backed drinks that don't just quench your thirst, they actively protect and improve your vision. Stick around for bonus tips at the end, to get the most out of these drinks. Number 1, green tea. Let's start with a timeless favorite, green tea. It's celebrated worldwide for its incredible health benefits, and yes, your eyes can benefit too. Green tea is packed with catechins, a type of antioxidant that fights oxidative stress and inflammation, which are major contributors to eye diseases like cataracts and macular degeneration. What makes it even more special? These antioxidants can actually penetrate eye tissues, providing direct protection to your retina and other parts of the eye. Green tea also helps reduce dryness, especially if you spend hours in front of screens. Its natural anti-inflammatory properties soothe tired eyes and reduce puffiness. To make the most of green tea, enjoy 2 to 3 cups daily. Drink it plain, to retain its natural goodness. Or, add lemon for an extra dose of vitamin C. Love variety? Try iced green tea, with mint or honey. It's refreshing and super healthy. Number 2, beetroot juice. Next up is the vibrant beetroot juice, a powerhouse of nutrients for your eyes. Beetroot is rich in nitrates, which help dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow to your retina and reducing strain. Better circulation means your eyes receive the oxygen and nutrients they need to stay healthy. But that's not all. Beetroot juice is also known to lower blood pressure, reducing the risk of conditions like diabetic retinopathy and glaucoma. For a delicious, eye-friendly drink, blend fresh beetroot with a splash of lemon juice and a touch of ginger. The result? A nutrient-packed drink that supports your vision and revitalizes your overall health. Number 3, spinach smoothie. Next, let's talk about a delicious way to improve your vision, spinach smoothies. Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants that act like natural sunglasses for your eyes. They filter harmful blue light from phones and computer screens, reducing eye strain and preventing long-term damage. Here's the secret to getting the most out of these nutrients: pair spinach with healthy fats. Lutein and zeaxanthin are fat-soluble, meaning they're absorbed better when consumed with fats like coconut milk, avocado, or even a spoonful of almond butter. Here's a great recipe: blend a cup of fresh spinach, a cup of coconut milk, or ripe banana, half an orange, and a handful of frozen peaches. Want an extra boost? Add chia seeds or flax seeds, for omega-3 fatty acids, which are also excellent for eye health. Number 4, carrot juice. A true classic, carrot juice has been synonymous with good vision for decades, and for good reason. Carrots are a rich source of beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. This vitamin is essential for maintaining a healthy cornea and improving night vision. Plus, it protects against dry eyes and supports the overall health of the conjunctiva, the thin layer covering your eye. Want to make your carrot juice even more nutritious? Blend it with orange juice for an added boost of vitamin C, and throw in a small piece of ginger for its anti-inflammatory benefits. Feeling adventurous? Add turmeric or a pinch of black pepper for an extra layer of eye protection. Number 5, blueberry juice. Blueberry juice is a delicious treat that's as good for your eyes as it is for your taste buds. Blueberries are loaded with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that protect the retina from oxidative stress. They also improve blood circulation in the eyes, helping deliver oxygen and nutrients where they're needed most. What's even more amazing? Blueberries enhance your eye's ability to adapt to low light conditions, making this juice perfect for improving night vision. For a refreshing drink, blend fresh or frozen blueberries with water, a splash of lemon juice, and a few mint leaves. Want more? Add a dollop of Greek yogurt for a creamy, protein-packed variation that doubles as a healthy snack. Number 6. Aloe vera juice. The versatile aloe vera isn't just good for your skin, it's great for your eyes too. Aloe vera juice helps reduce intraocular pressure, lowering the risk of glaucoma, a leading cause of vision loss. Its anti-inflammatory properties soothe tired, puffy eyes, and prevent irritation caused by dryness. To make this drink, blend fresh aloe vera gel with water, a squeeze of lemon, and a touch of honey. Drink it first thing in the morning, to kickstart your hydration and eye health. Number 7. Orange juice. The classic orange juice is a vision-friendly drink packed with vitamin C, one of the most powerful antioxidants for your eyes. Vitamin C strengthens the blood vessels in your retina, ensuring proper oxygen and nutrient flow. Regular consumption of orange juice has been shown to reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts. For a twist, try blending fresh orange juice with strawberries or kiwi. Both are also high in vitamin C. Number 8. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is a sweet and tangy delight, loaded with polyphenol and antioxidants. These compounds fight oxidative stress and inflammation, protecting your eyes from age-related damage. For an extra refreshing drink, mix pomegranate juice with sparkling water and a sprig of mint. Number 9. Turmeric golden milk. This warm and comforting drink isn't just delicious, it's a vision powerhouse. Turmeric golden milk contains curcumin, a natural anti-inflammatory compound that helps reduce oxidative stress in your eyes. Regular consumption can lower the risk of glaucoma and AMD. To make it, warm your favorite milk, dairy or plant-based, and stir in half a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and a drizzle of honey. Sip on it in the evening, for a soothing, vision-friendly treat. Number 10. Water. Finally, the unsung hero of eye health, water. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining eye moisture and flushing out toxins that can lead to irritation and redness. If plain water feels boring, try adding slices of cucumber, lemon, or fresh berries. Bonus tip: bilberry tea. Looking for something different? Try bilberry tea, which has been shown to reduce eye strain and improve night vision. Your eyes are your windows to the world, and they deserve the best care. By incorporating these 10 drinks into your daily routine, you're taking a proactive step toward protecting your vision and overall health. Which of these drinks are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos that help you live your healthiest, happiest life. Cheers to clearer, brighter vision.